Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give you a brief summary of my learning in the course MIT 822, Hypertext and Hypermedia. My learning began when I was reading about hypermedia. Hypermedia provides ways to organize and present information in an interactive fashion that is easily accessible for students of all ages. The influence from hypertext and hypermedia allows students self-directed, active learning opportunities that can impact them positively because of the incorporation of metacognitive load and self-regulation in a way that is designed to contribute to schema construction. When looking for resources, we have to ask ourselves these three questions. Is it engaging? Is it interactive? Is it relevant to the learning goal? Interactive learning ensures that students are engaged through active participation. Here are some of the tools that can be utilized to help meet this goal. Deeper connections can be made when we enhance student learning. We can do this by providing various visualization opportunities. These can happen in two-dimensional and three-dimensional, augmented reality and virtual reality, as well as 360-degree videos. We have to always remember to consider the learning goal to decide which platform is best. Google offers two web-based programs that can easily be integrated to enhance student learning. Google Expeditions and Google Earth provide hundreds of experiences related to many different content areas. Google Expedition allows users to see digital images, whether it be an animal or a historic artifact. What I love about this app is the user's ability to walk around and see all sides of an image. Google Earth allows users to follow historic routes and landmarks, take quizzes, follow cultural traditions and celebrations, and much more. Students can even create their own voyage. I also learned about the many benefits of coding in education. There are many apps available to students of all ages and a fair amount that are free. Coding can come in a variety of types and difficulty. It is important to test an app prior to its use to ensure it meets your learning needs.